Garage door mic, part 2. Usually I don't do these, but had to do it on this one. If you want your opener to be that quiet, the only thing you're really hearing is the noise of the rollers that are old, and I soaked them in oil. But if you want your door opener to be that quiet, 630-271-9343. I mean, that's pretty stinking quiet for this old McKee door with old 7-ball rollers, 9-bys with dual end hinges in the middle, which is nice. And you can see that the textbook McKee center bearing, things like ginormous. But that's it. That's an old McKee door from long time ago. Here's the sticker. McKee. There's the plate. McKee. Installed. Here's the install date. I can't even read that. Something's installed by John S. 12/12/1975, it looks like. So we're running out of battery. 630-271-9343 for super quiet door openers. Watch part 1 to this and you'll be screaming and running to get a linear door opener. Thank you for watching our videos, and as always I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching.